Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into MGM Resorts International's latest report, and trust me, there's more than just flashing lights and casino chips involved. This finding gives us a peek behind the curtain of this entertainment giant, and we'll see if the odds are really in their favour. So what's the headline? It looks like MGM added a new player to their board of directors. Who is that, and why should anyone care? Let's find out. First things first, this report is called a Form 8K, and it's basically a quick update companies give to the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, about important events. This one is corporate news flash. The meat of this report is about a change in the board of directors. On March 12, 2025, MGM Resorts decided to add one more person to their board, increasing it from 12 to 13 members. They've appointed Donna Langley. So who is she and why is this important? Donna Langley is joining the board. The board of directors is like the captain's crew of a ship. They make big decisions about where the company is headed, how it's run, and what strategies to use. Adding a new member can shake things up. Now, you might wonder, what's in it for her? Well, she'll get the same compensation as other independent directors. In simple terms, she'll get paid in cash and stock for her work on the board. Looks like her annual payment, along with others in the board, was raised on top of the she got some company stock that will become hers after 1 year. To find out exactly what kind of stock she is getting and what other conditions, we would need to check another document that they filed in 2017, but that's not super interesting, so we will skip it for now. MGM even put out a press release about this appointment. Companies do this to let investors and the public know about important changes. It's all about transparency and keeping everyone in the loop. This part of the report just lists the documents included. In this case, it's the press release we mentioned earlier. So what's the big picture here? Adding a new board member might seem like a small thing, but it can signal a shift in strategy or a focus on new areas. It will be interesting to see what this new director brings to the table. Now let's zoom out and look at MGM Resorts as a whole. They're a giant in the entertainment and hospitality industry with casinos, hotels, and resorts all over the world. They've been expanding into new markets, including online gaming, and trying to attract a younger, more tech-savvy crowd. One of their strengths is their brand recognition. People know and trust the MGM name, which gives them an edge over competitors. They're also good at creating unique experiences, from world-class shows to celebrity chef restaurants. However, they also face some challenges. The economy can have a big impact on their business, as people are less likely to gamble or travel when times are tough. They also have to compete with other casinos and entertainment options, both online and offline. And of course, there are always regulatory risks, as the gambling industry is heavily regulated. Looking ahead, MGM Resorts has some interesting opportunities. They could continue to expand into new markets, both geographically and in terms of their offerings. They could also invest more in technology to improve the customer experience and streamline their operations. However, they also need to be mindful of the risks. A recession could hurt their business, and they need to stay ahead of the competition by constantly innovating. They also need to navigate the regulatory landscape carefully. Overall, MGM Resorts seems to be in a pretty good position. They have a strong brand, a diverse portfolio of assets, and a clear strategy for growth. But they also need to be aware of the challenges and risks they face. So what's my take on MGM Resorts? They're a well-managed company with a lot of potential. I think they're making the right moves to adapt to the changing entertainment landscape. But like any investment, there are risks involved. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives. Let me know in the comments what company you want me to decode next.